at. Yeah. The water is really dark too. I wait for out guys. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to put this anti-clogging technology toilet blocks. So we need to open this one. It's 3-in-1 blocks, cleaning foam, fresh sand, anti-clogging. I have the green one, but I use this one. Just a second, we need to open this one. This is for the toilet. And to open this one in here. So it comes from this one. Comes from this one and here. This one. So it comes from this one. This is Bloo anti-clogging technology. So it says here, it says continuous cleaning action, lime skill, and prevent blue water for visible cleaning, long lasting for freshness, intense cleaning foam for up to 400 flushes per block. So it says there. So let's look like this. Yeah. And now let's do it for the toilet. What I'm going to do is I need to use gloves. So it says here you don't need to remove the, you don't need to replace a tube with a film in the tank on the opposite side of the water flow. Film dissolves in the water. As soon as the color of the water fades, place a new cube in the tank. Keep the second cube inside the package until the first one is used. When cleaning the tank, please wear. Yes, so it says here. So this one, because I have two. I have two here. This one. So ilagay natin dyan. Dito. Lagay natin. Tingnan natin. But I will put this one inside. This one toilet blocks. Ilagay natin dito sa ilalim. Lagay natin dito sa ilalim. So anywhere. So dyan, wag, don't remove the plastic. Don't remove the plastic, guys, because it will dissolve. So this one, so it's, ilagay natin dyan, kahit saan siya ilagay, or dito lang, dito. Linisin ko rin, I will clean this one later. So lagay natin dyan. So, yun. So, waiting, it will dissolve that one later on. Just keep the other one. I keep the other one because I have 2 cubes. So, I keep it. Linisin muna natin to mamaya. Later, I will clean it. Later. Tingnan natin na dissolve ba. Oh, look at. It's already dissolved. The cubes is already dissolved. So, let's check in the flash. I check natin sa flash. Look at. Can you see it properly, guys? So, it is already dissolved. So, i-close natin. Just close natin ito. Close natin. So, tingnan natin. Ipa-flash natin ito. I will flash it. So, check. I-check. I-flash. Hindi natin flash natin. So, yun. Yun lang ang toilet. Malinis naman. So, flash natin. See, it comes with the blue. Yeah, the blue. Because last time I used the green one, but the green one is nothing. Just don't have any color, just only white. But this one, it has a blue color. Look at. It smells lovely. Smells lovely. Yeah, like that. So yeah, if you want to buy this one, it's available in here. I'm not promoting a product. I'm not promoting it, but it's what this is one I tried. I tried this one like before. It's the same, but this one, okay. See? Just check it later after a minute. So this one, guys, I'm not promoting a product. This one is available. I bought this one from the Sainsbury. So available, I think it's available around everywhere in the UK, but I don't know in any country if this one is available. But you can use this one. Number 1 in the UK. So it says this. I think this is only blue water. So I think this is only available in the UK. So yeah. check it again, guys. Let's check it again. If the blue is really like dark blue. Maybe later on. Maybe later. Because sometimes it takes an hour. It takes an hour when the really like dark blue is coming. This one is still light. The blue is still light. But the fresh is very nice. Check it again. Okay, still not really dissolved. But if this one will dissolve more and more, and the water will become really dark blue. Still, it's light blue. Yeah, it's light blue. So let's check, guys, if it's dissolved or no. Let's check. I will show you. It's dissolved again or no. Now it's slowly dissolved. Look at, can you see it? It's slowly dissolved. The water, yeah. I water the cubes slowly. Look at. Yeah, I will clean this one later. Yeah, it's slowly dissolved. So we'll check again. Still not waiting for more than an hour to make the like a really deep blue. So I need to clean this one first. Clean this one with water. Wipe it with water. It's sticky. Maybe I'll clean this one with vinegar later. Or this one, you can use the duck. I have the duck here. Duck toilet cleaner. I'm using this one. So you can use this one in here. Just put a little bit, then yeah, it can remove, but it's like, oops. Yeah, later on leave that one there. Yeah, it can remove yung mga taya niya. Remove siya. Can remove, look at. Still sticky, but later on that one is hard. It's too heavy. It's too heavy, that one. I will wipe this one first. So I'm using the cloth. This is for Sainsbury. I bought this one. This is microfiber cloth from Sainsbury. Actually, this is clean. I clean this one like every week. I clean this bowl every week, this toilet every week. Sometimes it's that. The seat, don't forget the seat, and this one. Yeah, actually I will take my shower later, so I don't need to worry if I wear this bathrobe. So yeah, if you clean your toilet like once a week, the sticky things will not stick. You don't have. It's easy to clean. It's only a little bit of dust. So yeah, and down I will do it. Now I will clean this down part, the down part of the toilet. So I'm done here, so let's do it like this. So it's perfect white if you clean it like once a week, even once a week. So you don't need to worry about the back side. It's hard. Yeah, you don't need to worry about what you're gonna do. Yeah, like a sticky things, it's hard to remove. If you clean it every day, it's more easier. Clean it like not every day, once a week. If you're busy once a week, it's not hard for you. Wala siyang mga stinky things that stuck. Wala siyang stinky thing nag-stuck sa that. Flush it. Move Put this one. Wash it again. Okay, like that. Guys, let's check. Let's check if it's dark blue now. Oh, see? Can you see it properly? It's, sorry, my hair. It's really dark blue now. Look at. Yeah? The water is really dark blue. I wait for almost an hour. I wait for an hour and it comes with this one. It's a really dark blue now. In the first when you put that one, is look at the water here inside is really blue. It's dissolving it already. Because last time, you remember the first time I put it one is not really dark blue, it's still dissolving slowly. So waiting for an hour. Look at, waiting for an hour so it dissolved properly. So now, yeah, it's perfect. 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 Look at. And the smell is so lovely. It's a nice smell. So it's dissolving properly. Huh? Like that. See, so, and it smells as a little bit of fresh like washing up liquid. Yeah. So let's try. See?